Dallas homeowners love the elegance and added space that bay windows provide. Their outward projection creates dimension, increases natural light, and enhances curb appeal. But with Dallas' intense summer heat, strong sun exposure, and occasional winter cold fronts, energy efficiency must be part of the conversation when choosing a bay window. The good news? Modern energy-efficient bay window options are specifically designed to handle Dallas weather while maintaining comfort and reducing utility costs. Understanding Dallas climate demands. Dallas experiences long, hot summers where temperatures frequently climb into the high 90s and beyond. Without proper insulation, large window areas can allow significant solar heat gain, making rooms feel warmer and increasing the strain on your air conditioning system. At the same time, cooler winter evenings require windows that prevent heat loss. Energy-efficient bay windows are built to address both challenges. Double and triple pane glass options. One of the most important energy-saving features in a bay window is insulated glass. Modern bay windows typically include double or triple pane glass units, with insulating gas, often argon, sealed between the panes. This layered construction slows heat transfer, reduces temperature fluctuations, improves overall indoor comfort in Dallas summers. Insulated glass helps keep cool air inside. During cooler months, it helps retain indoor warmth. Low-E glass for solar heat control. Low emissivity, low-E coatings are essential for homes in sunny climates like Dallas. These microscopic coatings reflect infrared heat while still allowing visible light to pass through. For Dallas homeowners, low-E glass helps reduce solar heat gain, lower cooling costs, protect furniture and flooring from UV damage, maintain bright, naturally lit interiors. With the right low-E option tailored to the region, you can enjoy expansive bay windows without worrying about excessive heat buildup. Energy-efficient frame materials. Bay windows consist of multiple window units joined together, which means the frame system plays a significant role in performance. Popular energy-efficient frame materials include vinyl frames with multi-chamber insulation, fiberglass frames that resist expansion and contraction, insulated composite materials. These frames reduce thermal transfer and maintain structural integrity even during Dallas temperature swings. Avoiding older, uninsulated aluminum frames is especially important in hot climates. Proper sealing and installation. Even the most advanced glass and frames won't perform properly without professional installation. Bay windows extend outward from the home, creating additional seams and connection points that must be properly sealed. Professional installers ensure tight insulation around the window perimeter, secure flashing to prevent water intrusion, precise alignment for optimal energy performance. In Dallas, where heavy storms and wind-driven rain can occur, proper installation is essential for long-term durability. Strategic placement for maximum efficiency. Where you install your bay window can also affect performance. South and west-facing windows in Dallas receive the most intense sun exposure. Energy-efficient upgrades, such as advanced low-E coatings and optional solar control glass, are particularly beneficial for these exposures. In some cases, exterior shading elements or interior treatments can further improve comfort. Ventilation and hybrid designs. Many bay windows incorporate a fixed center picture window with operable side windows, such as casement or double-hung styles. This allows homeowners to balance energy efficiency with ventilation. On milder Dallas days, opening the side windows can reduce reliance on air conditioning while maintaining the beauty of the bay design. Long-term savings and value. Energy-efficient bay windows don't just improve comfort, they contribute to long-term savings. By reducing heat gain in summer and limiting heat loss in winter, they lower the workload on your HVAC system. Over time, this can mean reduced energy bills, improved indoor comfort, increased property value for Dallas homeowners. Combining architectural beauty with smart performance makes bay windows a worthwhile investment. Beauty without compromise. Bay windows add charm, space, and light to any Dallas home. With today's energy-efficient technology, including insulated glass, low-E coatings, and durable frames, you no longer have to choose between style and performance. By selecting the right energy-efficient bay window options and ensuring professional installation, you can enjoy stunning views and bright interiors while staying comfortable in Dallas weather year-round.